Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to recover your hacked Telegram account. This is very easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and then type Telegram support. Then click on the first link and you will land on this page. Here what you need to do is describe your problem in the description box. For example, for me I will type my account is hacked. If you have any other problem you can also solve it by this method. You will type your email, then your phone number, and lastly your last location. Then in the email box you want to type your email where they can reach you or contact you for the problem. I will just type ABC, and in the phone number you want to type your phone number, and after doing all these things click on submit. After that you have to wait for the reply. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.